Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also seeing a reaction of our minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, which is a target area that we have fully maximized, and that now means that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and now Polygon Matic is ready for a run up in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. We are also seeing a bit of a bullish movement as a result of the core CPE data, which was just released in a few minutes, which came out to be at around the 0.3%, which is bullish for the market, and that means that could give us the momentum that we need for us to continue gearing up to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3, which is right here in white. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my short-term scenarios here on the Polygon Matic chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And in this video I only want to focus on the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. And before I do so, it's good I give you a recap of what has been happening since we made our low at around the $0.9445 mark in what I'm terming as the low for this larger Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. And after seeing the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, which is an impulsive wave, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is these micro Elliot wave counts within the formation of this wave 3 that are going to give me the short-term scenarios. And you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 down here, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we saw a 5-wave structure to the upper side completing that first wave to the upper side. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and having bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation, where you can see I have now this Elliot wave structure right here in white, having that as the first wave. And we have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, which we have fully maximized. And we are now seeing a reaction of that target area in what could be the start of this wave 3 to the upper side, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.267 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Polygon Matic to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And since we are seeing a reaction of our target area in the formation of that wave 2, we also have a bit of an increase in volatility as a result of the core CPI data release. There are chances that you are going to continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And to get the first confirmation that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3, I'm watching for a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here at around the $1.148 mark. So in case we continue gearing up and see a break above the key area, that is the high at around the $1.148 mark, then I'll be watching watching even higher prices to get us to our next key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark. And once we break above that, then we can watch for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our target area at around the $1.269 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Polygon Matic chart, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD you have been able to print a bullish cross, and we are also seeing a bit of an increase in the buying momentum, suggesting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.